It's Patrick at Pals. This is the intake for the Mercedes-Benz we were just talking about. This is the hose that's bad. Now, the hose is actually under here. We've got to take these runners out, lift them up, okay? And then we can get to the hose, which is right here. The hose comes through here and into this plenum area here. So we have to remove these butterfly valves and the inside of the plenum to get to that little vacuum hose. German cars are what we like to say engineered twice. There's a lot of redundancy in German cars. They do things to make the cars last longer, and this is one of those things. They complicate the issue because they want it to last longer. If you've got a Mercedes-Benz, bring it to Pals. See you soon.